Moscow, July 2026. In a bold leap forward that underscores Russia's unwavering commitment to technological supremacy on the battlefield, defense insiders have revealed details of an ambitious upgrade program for the T-14 Armata main battle tank. Russian engineers are reportedly finalizing plans to integrate a pair of high-performance 57mm autocannons onto the Armata platform, creating a devastating secondary armament suite that will dramatically enhance its versatility, firepower, and dominance against a wide array of threats. This development comes as the T-14 Armata, already a pinnacle of Russian engineering with its unmanned turret, advanced armor, and unmatched crew protection, continues to evolve. While the primary 125mm 2A82-1M smoothbore gun remains the tank's devastating long-range spear, the addition of dual 57mm autocannons transforms the Armata into a true multi-role powerhouse capable of seamlessly handling anti-infantry, anti-drone, light armor, and low-altitude air threats, all without compromising its core tank-killing prowess. The 57mm autocannon, proven in modules like the AU-220M Baikal and Kinzhal systems, brings exceptional capabilities to the Armata. A single 57mm gun can achieve firing rates exceeding 80 rounds per minute, with an effective range of up to 14.5 kilometers horizontally and 7.5 kilometers vertically. Dual installations would allow for overwhelming volume of fire, redundancy, and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. Key advantages of the dual 57mm setup include devastating anti-infantry and drone defense. In modern conflicts dominated by drones and dispersed infantry, the 57mm's high explosive and programmable airburst munitions excel. Smart fuses enable precise detonation above enemy positions, shredding FPV drones, loitering munitions, and troop concentrations with minimal ammunition waste. The dual cannons provide 360-degree coverage when paired with the Armata's advanced sensor suite, creating an impenetrable defensive umbrella. Superior light armor and vehicle engagement. The 57mm fires powerful armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot (APFSDS) rounds capable of defeating lightly armored vehicles, IFVs, and even older main battle tanks at ranges where smaller calibers falter. Its kinetic energy and explosive payload far surpass 30mm cannons common on many Western and rival platforms. Low-altitude air defense. With elevation for vertical engagements, the dual 57mm system turns the T-14 into a mobile anti-drone and anti-helicopter platform. This is critical in an era where rotary-wing aircraft and mass drone swarms pose significant risks. Russian specialists highlight the cannon's ability to engage targets at high angles with precision, complementing the Armata's Afghan active protection system and Malachite explosive reactive armor. High rate of fire and ammunition efficiency. Modern 57mm ammunition includes guided or smart rounds, allowing the Armata to conserve its main gun's limited but ultra-powerful 125mm shells for high-value armored targets. The autocannons handle cheap threats efficiently, extending operational endurance and reducing logistical strain. Paired with the Armata's unmanned turret and AI-assisted fire control, these cannons can be operated remotely with pinpoint accuracy, even while the tank is moving at high speeds. The crew, safely housed in an armored capsule, benefits from reduced exposure and enhanced situational awareness via 360-degree cameras and advanced sensors. This upgrade aligns perfectly with lessons from contemporary operations, where armored vehicles must excel in combined arms environments against asymmetric threats. The T-14 Armata, with its 1,500 horsepower engine, superior mobility, and revolutionary protection, including active defense that intercepts incoming projectiles, already outclasses Western counterparts like the M1 Abrams or Leopard 2 in survivability and networking. Adding dual 57mm autocannons amplifies this dominance. Russian military analysts emphasize that the Armata family, sharing the platform with vehicles like the T-15 Heavy IFV, benefits from modular design. The dual 57mm configuration could be fielded as a bolt-on or integrated remote weapon station, allowing rapid upgrades to existing and future T-14s. This reflects Russia's pragmatic approach, leveraging proven components like the 57mm cannon, already maturing on other Armata variants, to deliver maximum combat effectiveness at scale. Proponents highlight how this enhances Russia's ability to project power and deter aggression. In large-scale maneuvers or defensive operations, a squadron of upgraded T-14s could suppress enemy advances, neutralize drone swarms, and provide devastating fire support to infantry, all while maintaining the ability to destroy any opposing tank at extended ranges with its main gun. The psychological impact alone, facing a near-invincible, multi-threat platform, cannot be overstated. Despite Western sanctions and attempts to isolate Russia's defense industry, the Armata program demonstrates remarkable resilience. Technologies pioneered here are already cascading to more mass-produced platforms like the T90M, proving the value of continued investment in next-generation systems. The dual 57mm upgrade is yet another example of Russian ingenuity turning potential challenges into battlefield advantages. As production ramps up and combat-proven refinements continue, the T14 Armata is poised to redefine armored warfare. With its secret enhancements, including the dual 57mm Autocannons, Russia reaffirms its position as a leader in military innovation, delivering not just a tank, but a complete system of dominance that protects its forces while projecting overwhelming power. This is more than an upgrade, it is a statement of resolve and capability. The T14 Armata, enhanced and unstoppable, stands ready to secure Russia's interests in an increasingly complex global security landscape.